focusing on Copas today. When you do Copas, you only have 4 different ways you can come out: forward or backwards, forward to the left, forward to the right, back to the left, back to the right. So our most basic Copa: 1, 2, back break, 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Position. We put the hand on the hip, hand on the shoulder, or we can take our partner's hand and put her hand on her hip. Out of the Copa, ladies' arms never go straight. We want to get her into a closed shoulder position, so she shift her weight on 2, come back here, close, and then going for the inside turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. And then we have our outside Copa. We're going on the bottom. 5, 6, 7. Then we have another position. We're going to go over. 1, 2, back break. 5, 6, 7. We have here. Copa here. Boom. But then we go bounce the other direction. So I'm going to be here. Keep this hand low. Push in on the bottom. Pull over on the top. Boom, boom, boom. Same thing. We're going to take it the other direction. This way. And then from this position, here, go this way. And our pattern, we went 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. You're gonna pivot, 6, shift your weight, come back in place with the right, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.